Hi, I'm Ayush, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities. Keep in mind that this is basically solving equations, but it's a little different. Okay, so let's get started with our first example, which is 2x minus 5 is less than 1. The first step is to get rid of the minus 5. To get rid of it, you add 5 to both sides. Then you will get 2x is less than 6. The next step is to divide 2 to both sides. 2x divided by 2 is less than 6 divided by 2. X will equal, x is less than 3. And to check if this is the correct answer, we can plug in any value that is less than 3 into the x value. So let's put 2 into the x value because 2 is less than 3. So 2 parentheses 2 minus 5 is less than 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 5 is less than 1. 4 minus 5 is negative 1 and less than 1. Negative 1 is less than 1, so this is true. So any value that is less than 3 would work for the x value. The answer is x is less than 3. Okay, next example is 8x plus 17 is greater than 1. First step is to get rid of the positive 17. So you subtract 17 to both sides. Then you will get 8x is greater than negative 16. The next step is to divide 8 to both sides. So 8x divided by 8 is greater than negative 16 divided by 8. And x is greater than negative 2. To check if this is the correct answer, you can plug in any value into x that is greater than negative 2. I'm going to put in 5 into the x value and see if this is true. 8 parentheses 5 plus 17 is greater than 1. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 17 is greater than 1. 40 plus 17 is 57 and it's greater than 1, so this is true. So any value that is greater than negative 2 would work for the x value in this problem. So the answer is x is greater than negative 2. Next inequality is negative 4x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 8. The first step is to subtract 4 from both sides to get rid of the positive 4. And then you will get negative 4x is greater than or equal to 4. And then you will divide negative 4 to both sides. So negative 4x divided by negative 4 is greater than or equal to 4 divided by negative 4. And then x. And okay, so if you're dividing negative 4 to both sides, it's a negative number. So if you divide a negative number to both sides, you have to flip the inequality sign. So this is greater than equal to. So this would now turn out to be less than or equal to. So x is less than or equal to negative 1. Check if this is the correct answer. You can plug in any value into x that is less than -1 and see if this is true. I'm going to put in -1 because, yeah, I'm just going to put in -1. -4 parentheses -1 plus 4 is greater than or equal to -8. -4 times -1 is 4, plus 4 is greater than or equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, and it's greater than equal and it's greater than or equal to 8. So this is true. So the answer is x is less than or equal to -1. So any value that is less than or equal to -1 would work out for the x value. Our last inequality for this video would be -9x minus 7 is less than or equal to 11. The first step is to get rid of the -7. To do that, you have to add 7 to both sides. Then you will get -9x is less than or equal to 18. And then the next step is to divide -9 to both sides. So -9x divided by -9 is less than or equal to 18 divided by -9. And now you have to flip the inequality sign because you're dividing both sides by a negative number. So x is greater than or equal to -2. Okay. To check if this is the correct answer, you can plug in any value into the x that is greater than or equal to -2. I'm just going to put -2 into x to see if this is true. -9 parentheses -2 minus 7 is less than or equal to 11. -9 times -2 is 18, positive 18. Minus 7 is less than or equal to 11. 18 minus 7 is 11, and it's less than or equal to 11. And this is true, so the answer is x is greater than or equal to -2. So any value that is greater than or -2, that is greater than or equal to -2, would work out for this problem. That's it for this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this video and hit the bell notification so you would get notified when I make a new video. Thank you so much and have a great day.